dos, uno, dive!
Qualification match number 7 officially underway here on the Curie division. We've got robots scoring game pieces all over the field. Looks like Blue Alliance is going to drop off 2 pieces of coral up on their level 4. Red Alliance is going to do the same. 63-52 looks like they're raising their arms up into the sky, waiting for a high five. As we move into our teleoperated period, Red Alliance is going to take a slight advantage of 30-26. That's only 4 points. That's easy to score. 34-78 is going to drop off a piece of coral onto the level 4 for the Red Alliance and continue to extend their lead. They're going to race on back to their human phase station and back to their level 4 in an efficient cycling zone. Up and over for a free throw, and up and out it goes. We'll return that piece of algae back into the stadium. Blue Alliance side of the field. Looks like we've got a couple of blue robots lining themselves up on level 4. 69-41, racing back on over to their human feed station to retrieve another piece of coral and sink it on down. Their partners 42-56, trying to do the same on the other side. Looks like 2 Blue Alliance robots scoring in tandem. 5-1-1-2, the Gongoliers from Rhode Island seems to be hanging out onto the field, waiting for them to reestablish connection and continue scoring. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, 63-52 over in their feed station. They are the launch team, picking up another piece of coral for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance is going to jump ahead after scoring a couple of game pieces. But Red Alliance is going to take the lead right back with a score of 83-76 with a little over a minute left to play. We've got plenty of game pieces left to be scored on either side of the field. 69-41, Iron Pulse Robotics dropping off another piece of algae up in the net for 4 points for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance is going to continue leading with their pieces of coral being scored on all 3 levels. They're trying to complete that level 4 with a little over 45 seconds left to play in this match. 34-78, Prepatech Lambot dropping off a piece of coral onto level 2, hoping to retrieve the coral ranking point for the even distribution of coral all across the field. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, 42-56, lining themselves up on the level 3 to drop off one as well. 69-41, racing themselves on over. Looks like 5-1-1-2, the Gongoliers have come alive right in time for the end game as they make their way on over to the Blue Alliance page. The sound of the submarine means it's time to surface. Robots are going to start making their way on over to the cages and lifting themselves up, coming for oxygen up in the air. We got 3 Blue Alliance robots lined up on their cages, trying to take liftoff. 34-78 for Red, and their partners 63-52 looking for Red as well as time expires. Red Alliance has a slight advantage, but we'll see the final going to be the Red Alliance. They're walking home with a score of 152-118. Red Alliance walking home with 4 ranking points, 3 for the win and 1 for the cooperation. Blue Alliance also getting that cooperation ranking point, but getting an extra 1 for the barge.